Hello and welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Jaaie and I welcome you to the brand new series of recipes under 15 minutes. Whenever we have unexpected guests at home, we end up ordering the food from outside. But if you have chicken at home, the recipe that I'm going to show today will be made within 15 minutes. And it will be super tasty. The recipe that I'm going to make today is a chicken pulao. But before we actually begin with the recipe, we need to do some pre-preparation. So let's have a quick look at it. For the chicken pulao, let's slice the onions. For the chicken pulao, wash the rice thoroughly. And soak the rice in water for 15 to 20 minutes. Take the boneless chicken breast and cut it into half-inch pieces. So to make chicken pulao, heat a deep non-stick pan, and to this I'm going to add ghee. Once the ghee starts to melt, add whole spices, cloves, green cardamom, some peppercorns, a bay leaf and some cumin seeds. Sauté this mixture till the spices are fragrant. And now let's add the sliced onions and sauté the onions on high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now let's add the ginger and garlic paste and some yogurt. Mix it well with the onions and cook on high heat for 1 minute. Once the ginger and the garlic paste is nicely cooked, add the chicken pieces. The soaked rice. Sprinkle some garam masala powder, salt and chicken stock cubes which are readily available in the market. So I'm adding it to the pulao to make it more flavorful. Mix all the ingredients nicely. Add around 2.5 cups of water. Cover the pan with the lid and cook this mixture for around 8 to 9 minutes. The chicken pulao is ready. Let's put it in a serving bowl. And I'm going to garnish it with some fresh coriander. Quick chicken pulao is ready. You can serve this with chilled yogurt, and I have made this recipe within 15 minutes. If you think you can also make this recipe within 15 minutes, don't forget to hit the like, share and the subscribe button.